Okay, in this station we're going to write either an equation or inequality for the parabola that's graphed. And regardless of which one you're writing, you always want to start out with f of x. A lot of times we put equals, but as I go look at the graph, there's a dashed curve here and there's also some shading going on. So I know it's going to have the inequality symbol of greater than or less than. If I go to the vertex and find the shaded area, it's below the vertex, which tells me there's going to be a less than symbol. And since the curve is dashed, I'm not going to put an equal to symbol. If I go back to the vertex and write down the coordinates, it looks like it's at -1, 2. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to put an x plus 1 because it shifts the opposite direction of what you think it's going to do. And outside, I'm going to put a plus 2. And because it's a parabola, I have to remember to square the parenthesis. The last part is to go and figure out if there's a multiplier out in front. This graph opens up, so I know that the multiplier that's in front is going to be positive. If it were to open down, it would be negative. And I go look for the pattern 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. And if I do that, I go out 1, up 1, and there is a point on either side of the vertex that follows that pattern. And I also go out 2, up 4, and again, there's a point on the graph that follows that pattern. So technically there's an invisible 1 that's out in front because it follows the pattern that we know for parabolas. You don't have to write the 1 if you want to, you can, but this is the final answer.